Hello friends, welcome to the Techizens channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI Radeon RX 6750 GRE gaming PC. So friends, MSI introduced the new gaming system equipped with brand new Radeon RX 6750 GRE graphics card and friend. MSI nor Gigabyte have officially confirmed the precise specification of this new model, but it's evident that it will be less powerful than the RX 6750 XT and friend the 6750 XT boasts 2560 cores, 12 GB of GDDR6 memory, 250 watt TDP. While the memory configuration has been confirmed, the new card is likely to feature around 2304 cores instead and friend. Their brief examination of MSI system reveals that the RX 6750 GRE will be priced only slightly higher than RTX 4060 with an increasement of approximately 2 to 4%, which can be considered marginal, and new GRE model is expected to be approximately 7 to 4% more affordable than the RX 6750 XT. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.